Hey everybody, it's time to taste test with Tony, and today I've got a couple of things from the Mid-East that I'm going to be trying. The first is, I'm not for sure how you pronounce this, kedem tea biscuits. They're orange flavor, so that should be interesting because I love orange. And the second thing we're going to be trying is from Jordan. It's a marbled cake. It's chocolate and hazelnut flavored, so that sounds good too. So let's get started and see what we got. First, we're going to be trying the orange flavored tea biscuits. It's interesting, I got a box from the Mideast with some different things in it, and apparently crackers are very big snacks over there. So let's see. Has a little bit of an orange smell to it. This is what it looks like. Just a regular looking cracker. I do get an orange, little bit of an orange flavor to it. That's different. I like the fact that it's not really crunchy. That once you bite into it, it starts to melt. I'm trying to think of what kind of cheese might look or might be really good with that. I would eat those. I'm not a big cracker person, but those are good. Okay. Marbled cake. Chocolate and hazelnut. Like I said, this is from Jordan. Let's see what we got here. It smells sort of like a chocodile, one of those chocolate Twinkies. That's what it smells like. Okay. Oh, that's what it sort of looks like. Well, it sort of looks like a Twinkie that's got a little mold or something wrong with it. But it smells good. Okay, let's give it a taste. I can't decide. It's good. That's the strangest thing. It's moist, but it seems like when you get it in your mouth, it's dry. I mean, I can't explain it. You have to chew and chew and chew, but it feels moist. Oh, now I'm getting the hazelnut filling. That's better. It's sort of like Hostess Twinkies. They just get a little filling in the middle. They don't fill the whole thing up. That's the way this is. The hazelnut spread inside gives it a better taste. It doesn't make it as dry. So yeah. I prefer the tea biscuits. Those are better. Gotta finish chewing. Well, that's it for taste testing with Tony this time. Don't forget to subscribe below for more videos, and we'll see you next time.